What's up, guys? Right here we have the Samsung the Samsung DeX Station. This is to turn your phone into a computer. I am using the Note 9 as of right now, and I was going to do the HDMI cable that they were telling you about, but someone said that your phone will not charge if you use the HDMI cable, so I got this instead, which was $20 more, but I had a $25 gift card because I cashed in my Samsung reward points. Alright, so I'm going to get into the box, but anyways, as you can see right there, it says Samsung DeX Station. It says DeX Station, not Samsung. It says Samsung at the top there. Sorry about that. But anyways, on the back, it just got different specs. If you want, you can pause the video and read this if you like, if you can see it. But anyways, let's get into here. Let's see if I can do this. Take these scissors and kind of break into it. I don't know if I'm going to get in here or not, but we'll try. Awesome. So, broke the seal. And hopefully I didn't tear the box up. Alright. So there we go. And I kind of got it upside down there. So let's turn it back this way and pull this out. There we go. Let me move the camera back just a little bit. Alright. So we can get into this. Okay, so first off, we got the charger here. This is it is the fast charge, as you can see right here. Oops, get the glare off of it. Okay, so yeah, it's the fast charge and everything. So what else we got in here? We have the USB cable. Let me get this to aim down. Oops, too much there. Alright. And what else we got here? We have the DeX Station itself here. How does this work? It's kind of shiny on the top there. So, I don't want to break it. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so you have all your ports right here on the back. You have a USB-C port. It looks like USB-C port, a HDMI port maybe, and USB, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, let's get into this. So I was sitting here trying to figure out how to get this up, but what you do is you just take your fingers right here and just pop it up like that, and that's it. So move the boxes, and it sits on your table just like that, and then your phone will just sit right here. So let's see if there's enough cable. I said that you gotta buy your own cable, and that's what it looks like. And you got this right here. I mean, that's $60, and it should honestly come with daggone cables to hook it up and everything. So I still have to buy an HDMI cable. So, I mean, it's not a bad deal. $60 for that. This does a lot of stuff, I guess. Let me look at it. I mean, it acts as a charger. So, oops, I went way too low. It acts as a charger. It shines really good. So, I mean, it works. Ah, shoot! Wow, look at this. It has I don't know if you can see it right here where my finger is. US Type C plug-in. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun plugging my phone into that. I hope I don't tear it up. Evidently you can't put it in with a case, but we'll find out. Anyways, guys, I am disabled, so I do my best, and please share my videos with your friends and family and help support me, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks and have a great day. Awesome.